Hi, I'm Aaron from Motech Space. Our latest flight did not go exactly as planned. But what caused this to happen? Let's first go over the design changes we've made since the last flight. First of all, we changed the first stage engine from a C11.5 to a D12.5. The D is about twice as powerful as the C by burning for twice as long. We did this so that the rocket wouldn't already be falling once the first stage pops its blast like the second stage, as observed on the last flight. If you still don't understand this blast stuff, I would recommend watching the video in the card in the top right corner. That video has some great footage of the blast and the second stage igniting from it, and it also proves that this two-stage rocket is possible. Another design change we made is we extended the inner tube inside the first stage to the bottom of the second stage. We did this to channel the first stage's blast to the second stage better. We still don't know if this helped at all because the first stage never had the chance to light the second stage in this flight, but we have a good sign as the inside of the inner tube is charred, which means the heat reached far enough inside the tube to light the second stage engine. We also changed the way we hold the two stages together from a tight metal strip to two rods, which will eventually be needed anyway once we put fairings back on. This design holds the two stages together better, as long as the rocket is pointing upwards. The last design change, and definitely the least, was that we added fins on the second stage. We decided to do this kind of last minute because we thought it would stabilize the second stage once it took flight. This ended up being a terrible idea because fins are only effective if they're below the center of lift. They were below the center of lift for the second stage, but they weren't with the first stage under it. This makes the fins do the opposite of what they're supposed to do, so instead of correcting the rocket, it caused an imbalance which made it do this. This caused the rocket to turn horizontally and fly very far and low until it crashed to the ground. The first stage's blast was never able to light the second stage because when the rocket hit the ground, the two stages separated before the first stage's blast went off. Next flight, we're going to try to repeat these conditions, but without the second stage fins. We still want to figure out how to stabilize the second stage during flight, but our first priority should be to light it. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time.